everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix screen brightness changing automatically on laptop. So if your screen keeps getting brighter and then suddenly dimmer on its own, this is how you fix it and keep your brightness exactly where you want it. There are actually two fast ways to do this. So first, go down to your search bar and type in control panel and tap on enter. Once you're on the control panel, so go and look for hardware and sound. So once you click hardware and sound, next click on power options. Now in here, what you can do is hover over balance and click on change plan settings. Then in here, select change advanced power settings. So you'll see a small pop-up window appear. Now look for display and expand it. Now check if you see something like adaptive brightness or adaptive display. Now, not all laptops have this, so I don't have it on my end. But if yours does, just make sure it's turned off. Then click on apply and click on OK. Now, once that's done, let's move to the second method. So go to start menu and open settings. And in the search bar, type display. So once you type in display, tap on display settings. Now in here, go to brightness and click on this arrow right here. Once you click the arrow right here, you should see change brightness automatically and go ahead and turn that off. And that's basically it. Your screen should now stay at a steady brightness without changing on its own. So if you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.